Hello, Lulu. That's going to rain so heavily on us. Lulu! Lulu! What was that? I don't know if you're going to want to be out here. It's going to be raining on you. That looks like it got darker. It feels warmer again now as well. It really got a lot colder a minute ago. Maybe it's an occluded front. Hello. Yeah, you can tell from looking at that it's going to rain a lot. Hello, sweetie. Oh, they're fighting. Don't fight. It feels so dark on the slide. The darkness is right overhead. This will be a good time for lightning, but I don't know if there's going to be any. Because I did see it on radar under it earlier, but it was not very often. And I don't think there's been any for a while. I love this sort of... There's this sort of... I think that's just sunlight coming through the rain over here, and you can just tell from looking at it that rain is going to be really heavy. Sweetie. Oh, wow. You can see it if you zoom in. You can see it in the distance coming closer, because everything's just disappearing into rain. It's going to be like insanely heavy. Going to be poor visibility. Sweetie, it's gonna rain a lot. I don't know if she cares. She'll go inside. There's a strange sort of, it's just weird just being the light from this, like it's like sunlight that's just blocked out by rain. Oh wow, you can see really everything's disappearing over there. Must be raining a lot over there. It will rain a lot here within probably about another minute. Sweetie's gone inside. You can just see that over there. That is very poor visibility where that rain's coming down. That must be incredibly heavy. Here it comes. It's not so heavy yet. Oh, here it is. I have to go inside a little bit. It's not really blowing under the cover very much. Visibility is terrible. Oh wow, that interrupted me. This guy's like, shut up, want to do something. Visibility is really bad in this. Like, the rain's hiding everything. Oh my god. I have to go inside to just not get soaked. Yes. Where was the lightning? I think it was over here. Sweetie. This is actually really good when you think about it, because we've been in drought, and now the drought is basically over. I'm not sure that's even reached its peak intensity yet. See, everything's getting soaked, all the plants that were like dying because it wasn't raining. I think I saw a flash with that thunder a minute ago, but I can't tell. Wow. Oh wow, look at the pipe gushing. It looks like it's literally going to overflow our pond. There was a flash then. But I cannot stress how much of a relief this is when there's been a drought to have just torrential rain. It's like you can barely see down the garden, it's so heavy. It smells of ozone, it smells really... Wow, the pipe is gushing even more now. It smells really nice. A really nice fresh smell in the air. I know if I was going to walk in the countryside tonight, it's going to be absolutely... It's going to be waterlogged now. Might be worse because the ground's so dry from the drought that it'll probably... that it might not absorb much water very quickly. It's coming from over there, but I can't see them. It's I'm videoing at the moment. You don't mind if you can be heard on the video, do you? It's the pipes gushing. I'm filming for YouTube. It was doing it more a minute ago. It looks like the pond's going to just overflow. So it's raining so much. Did you hear the thunder? There's been a bunch of thunder. Hello. You can see the blue sky again. And then it's going to just release. It is stopped just like that. I want to see if there's mammatus on this as it retreats. But I have no idea if there will be. Hello. That's a massive frog. It's a massive frog. Well, that was very satisfying because that's literally like, that's like just the end of the drought. Because there's a bunch of, like, literally most of the days it's forecast to rain. It's forecast to rain literally most of the days in the next week or two. So that's definitely the end of the drought. Jelly is all wet. I want to see this retreat and see if there's my martyrs on it. Jelly, you're right. Hello? Did you get wet? You're soaked. Is that thunder or just a plane? I can't tell. Oh no, I'm getting wet. No, I don't see my martyrs. Well, guess that's it, no more drought.